Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. If you have not checked the part 1 of this tutorial, then I will link it over here or in the description box below. You go there, learn that part first and then come here, otherwise you will be lost. After this, there is a music, okay? 2 sets of 8 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, when we are doing the ardavus, we are going to do it double. So, we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we are going to have double counts, double, okay. So, let me explain. So, we are here, we are going to use the peri adavu first, yes, diagonally back, right diagonal, okay. So, I am going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, left diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. After this, there is again 8 counts, that means 16 beats. Double, if we double it. Okay. We are going to go with the right ta tai tai ta, third ta tai tai ta. Ta tai tai ta, dhit tai tai ta. Ta tai tai ta, dhit tai tai ta. Okay. So 4 ta tai tai tas you have to do. Yeah. So for only this pattern, let's do with the music. Let's move on to the second verse. You ended up over here. Now from here we are going to show koti koti kantha, koti koti millions. So ardha sutri, koti koti. So for the footwork you can just roam around casually, you don't have to be precise in that. You just want to show that millions. Koti koti kantha, kantha you use this, okay. Koti koti kantha ninada karale. Kala kala ninada karale. Kala kala is like you are shouting. Kala kala ninada karale. Sound of the victory or voices. Koti koti kantha kala kala ninada karale. After this, we are going to show again. The line comes koti koti bhuja dhritai khara karavale. Okay. For this, we are going to use the sword and the mushti and the pataka. We are going to show the sword. So, go back in Pratyalidha 1, 2. Now, we are going to use front tai tai tam, tai tai tam, tai tai tam, tai tai tam 4 times. Crossing. Tai tai tam, tai tai tam, tai tai tam, tai tai tam. The action of the sword is going to be, you are on this side. The action is going to be as if you are fighting. Tai tai tam, tai tai tam, tai tai tam, tai tai tam and back as if you are prepared. Okay. Actually you can show the shield also, but for now just let's make it simple. So it will be koti koti bhuja dhritai khara karva lay and out. Okay, let's do it together like both the lines. So we ended up over here. Koti koti kantha kala kala ninada karale. Koti koti bhujai dhrita kara karavale. After this, we are going to show the helpless feeling for abala keno. Okay. So we are going to go down. Abala keno eto bole who or why. The next line is bahubala dharini namami tarini. So you are here. Okay. Bahubala dharini. So you have the whole power. Bahubala dharini. So you have to go tap, 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 tap. Okay. So first I am standing in sthanaka, I am going diagonally this, and diagonally this, okay, on one foot. Bahubala dharini, namami tarini, we bow down to you. Namami tarini. After this namami tarini, we are going to do the takadhimi, tatimeti, okay. So we are going to do Ripudala varini mataram, as if she is blessing you, okay. So takadhimi ta. Then Vande Mataram, dittai ta. So Ripudala varini mataram Vande Mataram. Let's do this stanza start to end, okay. We ended up in this position, okay. After this we are going to do the music part again. So same 8 counts, 2 avartan, okay, 2 avartans of 8 counts. So how we are going to do that is, we are going to do the nattadu 5th one with a slight variation, okay. So we are going to go tayyum tatta tayyum ta, and instead of out we are still going to go with the swastika position, tayyum tatta tayyum ta. So it's a combination of the 5th one and the 3rd one. We are going to repeat that to the left. Tayyum tatta tayyum ta, tayyum tatta tayyum ta. It's going to be little bit faster. Tayyum tatta tayyum ta, tayyum tatta tayyum ta, tayyum tatta tayyum ta, tayyum tatta tayyum ta, like this. After this we are going to do 4 diditais or ginatoms on the right and 4 ginatoms on the left. So ginatom, 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 okay. First 2 you leave from the center towards your right, and then rest 2 you do it on the spot. After that you finished over here. After that you are going to open it towards the left. Open, close, open, close, okay. It is going to be faster. This is a slower version for your learning purposes, okay. So the original speed is didittai, 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 ginatom, 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 and you are going to end here with the music. Let's do it with the music, yeah. At this point the lyric starts, Tumhi Vidya, Tumhi Dharma, okay. So we are going to go again towards the right slightly, because see, you are performing for the audience. Keeping the straight face is not interesting, okay. You can address this side and the center. So what we are going to do is, Tumhi Vidya, Tumhi Dharma, okay. In Samapada we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. The hand is going to go as if you are addressing first you, okay. Tumhi Vidya, Tumhi Dharma, okay. Tumhi, again you are addressing on the left side with the pataka, okay. Now Dharma, you have to show the mushti, and this is Dola Hasta again, okay, here. So Tumhi Vidya, this is Hausasya, Buddhi. Tumhi Dharma, okay. Tumhi Hridayi, Tumhi Marma. So heart, you have to show the heart first. So you are here, Tumhi Hridayi, Tumhi Marma. So I am using Chatura, but I am giving a feel to show that marma. Okay. So, hriday tumhi marma. After this, the line comes, tvam pranaha sharire bahute tumhi ma shakti. Okay. So, how you are going to show tvam? Tvam is you. Tvam pranaha. Now, see, pranaha, we are going to show the breathing with the left hand or right hand, any hand is fine. Tumhi pranaha, and with one hand you can show the sharire, body. So, pataka or ardha chandra and alapadma. It comes little faster. So, we are, if you want, you can go back also a little bit, or you can stand in samapada as well. Okay. So, tumhi pranaha sharire. With the footwork, it will be tumhi pranaha sharire. Okay, just going back and forth if you want, otherwise it's okay to stand. Now, bahute tumi ma shakti. So, how we are going to show is bahute. So, you, on like your arms you want to show. Bahute cross, bahute tumi ma shakti. You have to show the shakti, the power. Okay. This again, if you want, you can go to sideways and backwards like that. Okay. So, whole thing will look like this. Tvam pranaha sharire bahute tumi ma shakti. After this, hridaye tumi ma bhakti. Here you are going to again sit in Aramhandi position. Hridaye, hridaye tumi ma bhakti. Okay. So, you have to bow down. Hridaye tumi ma bhakti. Okay. After this, tumarai pratima gade mandire mandire. So, tumari pratima is the figure or the statue. Okay. So, we are going to show tumare pratima, every time you do not have to do you. It is quite self-explanatory. So, tumare pratima, as if the Bharat Mata is blessing. So, with the right hand pataka, I am standing in a prankhana position. Okay. So, right over here, left, I am standing on the left foot. Okay. So, right hand here. With the left hand, you can show that she is holding a flag of India or Bharat. Tumare pratima gade, it until here. Mandire mandire, you have to show that everywhere. So, you will show everywhere, every temple, like that. Let us do it from here. Okay. Hridayi tumi ma bhakti. Tumarai pratima gadi mandire mandire. Vande Mataram. I hope that you got it until here. We will continue this choreography in the next part. If you have any questions, then write it in the comment box below. I will see you in the next part. Until then, keep dancing.